Here's a phone that we featured on the most recent Unbox Therapy video.
Yeah.
This is kind of a weird roundabout thing because I just looked at this phone yesterday. Was it yesterday or the day before? The day before yesterday.
Yeah.
And I was actually really blown away by it. The video went out this morning. So this is the first phone I've ever looked at. I don't know if it's the first phone on planet Earth that has a gimbal installed in the camera module. A gimbal, for those that don't know, is an actual mechanical component capable of stabilizing a camera beyond what any kind of digital software-based stabilization is capable of. And you found the perfect section of the video to show. I mean, this thing is bananas, and it's all inside of a smartphone. It's really amazing to see it in person, but you can still make it out if you go watch the video for yourself, just how crazy this advancement is. And I think it has major implications for the industry because, yeah, for me, I'm seeing it first here in the form of the X50 Pro from Vivo, but presumably other manufacturers are paying attention and could be bringing similar tech or should be thinking about bringing similar tech. Mm-hmm. And this is going to mean some of the most stable footage. It'll be, to put this in, it'll be more stable than whatever optical stabilization system you have on your current camera. It is similar to that if you have had an external gimbal, a large size external gimbal, except it's baked into your smartphone. So anyways, I just wanted to highlight that here for anybody who hasn't seen the video yet. You should definitely go check it out. It's an interesting development, even if you're only interested in the camera tech. You can go take a peek at that. OnePlus Nord online pop-up shop coming as pre-orders sell out. So they've been kind of had a weird strategy trying to launch this Nord product. In the old days, they would have actual physical pop-up stores. The old days, pre-lockdown.
Yeah.
They would have actual physical pop-up stores in certain major cities. Obviously, they weren't able to do that with the 8 Pro, and they're not going to be able to do that with the Nord. So they have this other kind of limited rollout in different pieces. You know how this goes, Will, from a marketing perspective. You know how this goes. You try to keep the hype train moving. So you say, we'll make a couple hundred available. Whoop, those sold out.
Yeah.
We'll make 50 more available. Yep, sorry, that's okay.
The slow trickle.
It's the drop mindset. Everybody's into the drops these days. It's the gamification of shopping. You see people on Twitter, I got the sneakers, got them. Mm-hmm. And you're like, well, yeah, I mean, I can get sneakers too, but you got to get those sneakers because not everybody can get them. Oh. It's a game, you see, and people have fun with it. And hey, who am I to say how you have fun? You have fun how you have fun. Mm-hmm. Whatever you happen to be into, some people need some games right about now. It's kind of depressing out there. So